Today, I promise you that if you apply what's in this video and watch it all the way to the end, you can start making thousands of dollars every single month very easily while sitting at home. And to make this super simple and clear, let's jump straight into the practical part. If we go to Etsy and search for wall art, you'll immediately see tons of amazing products that are making thousands of sales every month in this niche. Yes, this niche works. Now let's take one example together and look at this amazing product right here. You'll notice these are animal wall art prints, and honestly, they look really nice. I personally loved them. The seller is offering 3 animal prints for $37, which is actually a very affordable and reasonable price. And this is exactly why buyers are jumping on it. If we scroll down just a little bit, we'll see that the print size is small, only 5 by 7 inches. And here's the important part. This seller has 55 reviews just for these prints, which means they've already sold a lot of them. And it gets even better. This same seller is also offering similar wall art, but this time with sea animals. And the price is around $115 for 6 small prints. Now, before I explain step by step how we're going to design and sell these wall art prints, I know there's an important question in your head. You're probably asking, do I need to design these prints and then ship them myself to the customer? And the answer is very simple. No, you don't. What we'll do is design the artwork together, and there's an amazing website that will take your design and produce these prints for you. When a customer places an order, the website automatically prints and ships the artwork directly to them, and you keep the profit difference. Honestly, this is amazing, and you're about to be impressed. Just stay focused with me. The process is very simple. In short, our only job is to design the artwork you see on the wall print using Canva, and this is the first step. After that, we upload the design to an amazing website that I'm about to explain to you in full detail. This website will only produce the wall art when a customer places an order, which means you won't spend a single dollar up front. Not only that, this same website also creates the product images that you'll use directly on your Etsy store. Honestly, I believe this website we're about to explore together is a game changer for selling products on Etsy, Amazon, and other platforms. It makes the whole process smooth, fast, and beginner friendly. Now, the third step, you don't even have to touch it. Everything happens automatically. When a customer orders the wall art, the system takes care of the production and shipping. All you need to do is confirm the order and collect the price difference and your profits. Now let's jump straight into step 1, which is designing the artwork that will go on the wall print. All we need to do is go to Canva and create a new design with dimensions, let's say 8 by 10 inches. Think of this as your own wall art. You can choose a background color based on the type of wall you're targeting. I always recommend having multiple color options in your store so your designs match all wall colors and appeal to more buyers. Next, let's say we search for a giraffe inside the Elements section. If you're selling animal designs, just choose the animal illustration you like and place it directly onto the canvas. Personally, I found this parrot illustration and I really liked it. I see it as a unique and eye-catching wall art piece. So all we do is place it on the page and slightly resize it to fit the design nicely. After that, we can adjust the background color so it works perfectly with both the wall color and the parrot colors at the same time. You can also add a few extra decorative elements to make the design more aesthetic, like mandala shapes or subtle patterns. Once you're done with the design, all you need to do is download it as a PNG file. And now, we move to the most important step in this entire video: uploading this design to the website that will actually manufacture these wall prints for you. This is the website that honestly impressed me the most, PrintKK. PrintKK is built by creators for creators. They offer high-quality POD products, fast global shipping, and a smooth production workflow, helping creators launch, test, and scale their products with confidence. Whether for apparel, home decor, accessories, or custom merchandise, their goal is to provide a dependable and creator-friendly experience. The PrintKK website offers thousands of different product types, which means you're not limited to selling wall art only. You can sell literally anything you can imagine. If you want to design and stand out by selling t-shirts, they manufacture the t-shirts for you. Home decor, accessories, furniture, all of it is produced using your own designs. I want you to visit the website right now and browse through all the products. I'm 100% sure you'll come up with amazing ideas for your Etsy store. I'll leave the website link below in the description box and also in the pinned comment. Go check it out now to get special discounts. And what's really beautiful about this platform? They offer high-quality products at very low prices, which means you get an incredible profit margin and can still compete easily. On top of that, they offer fast shipping to the United States, and some products I personally tested even come with free shipping. There are so many powerful features on this platform, and it gets even better. The website also includes AI tools like AI image design. This means you can design all your products directly on PrintKK with no need for Canva at all. If we go to Services, then click on Print on Demand and press Start Designing, then head over to Products, you'll find every type of product you can add your designs to and sell. From t-shirts to home decor, literally everything you can think of. I really want you to browse these products carefully because I know you'll be impressed and inspired. Now, since we're selling wall art, I'll go to Home, then Wall Art. Here you'll find many beautiful wall art options. For example, I'll choose this top one right here. It's super easy. You can see how the artwork looks in real life using the preview images on the side. You can also see the actual size next to a human figure, which helps buyers visualize it perfectly. The great thing is that they offer multiple sizes for the same artwork, which makes it perfect for all types of homes. They also show a close-up image of the frame material around the artwork. The cost of this wall art is around $31 with free shipping to the United States. That's an amazing price. You can make thousands of dollars just from the price difference. Down here, you'll see all the available sizes for this artwork, and you can also choose the frame color so it matches every wall color. Now, to add our own design to this wall art, we simply click on Start Design. This takes us to the design page. Here, you can create stunning designs from scratch, or if you already have a design like the one we just created in Canva, click Upload and upload your image directly. Now to add the image to the wall art, all we have to do is click on the image, and it will be automatically placed onto the artwork in this beautiful, clean way. And now you can clearly see how the wall art will look inside a real home using these preview images. These same images can also be used as listing images on Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify. It's very important to show the customer the material quality in detail and let them see exactly how the wall art will look in real life. After that, we simply click on Publish to Store to upload this design to our store. And before we move on to how to connect your store to this platform, let me quickly show you something powerful. You can also design images directly inside PrintKK. For example, if we go to Clip Art, you'll find many amazing elements that you can use instantly. Take this snake illustration. Once we click on it, it becomes an incredible wall art piece. And when you're done with the design, you simply click Publish to Store just like before. Now, if we click on My Designs, you'll see all the designs you've created and uploaded to the platform. For example, on the first design, if we click Publish, then Add Store, you can connect all types of stores, Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, and more. All you need to do is click Connect, log into your store, and it will be instantly linked to PrintKK. If we go back to our products and click on Buy, you can also purchase this wall art yourself if you plan to sell it locally. Here, you'll see all the available sizes, styles, and prices. And if we click on the three dots and choose Download Mockups, you can download professional product images to use on social media and boost your sales. This amazing platform literally makes everything easy with just one click. And my advice for you today, if we go back to the products, do not limit yourself to selling wall art only. Make your Amazon store focused on all home decor. Connect all your designs together, so when a customer buys a wall art piece from you, they can also buy matching home decor with the same design. This creates a beautiful, cohesive look in their home. Make this your main goal, and you can make thousands of dollars weekly, even daily, if you apply this strategy correctly. This platform has literally everything you can imagine for the home, and at amazing prices. If we go to the orders section, you'll see all the orders that have been placed on your store. And if we go to stores, you'll find all your connected stores, and you can also link new stores directly from this menu. Now, if we head over to Creative, you'll notice that the platform supports AI. This means you can design images using artificial intelligence very easily. All you need to do, as usual, is write your prompt here, and the system will professionally generate the image for you. No complexity at all. And here's a product I personally discovered while browsing this platform: this custom clock. You add your own design, and PrintKK manufactures the clock with your artwork on it. Honestly, this is one of the best products I've found, and it has huge sales potential because it's still rare in the market. I really hope you take advantage of it. I hope you found this video helpful. You'll find the website link along with a big discount in the pinned comment and the description below. I'll see you in a new video very soon, and goodbye.